What if I told you the reason your isometric training isn't making you stronger? Isn't the method, it's you. And before you dismiss that, understand this. One of these 5 mistakes is quietly draining your strength right now. I made all of them. And they nearly made me walk away from isometrics completely. But when I fixed them, everything changed. My raw strength went up. My joints felt indestructible. My control became surgical. If you're using isometric holds, overcoming isometrics, or maximal tension training to build muscle, burn fat, or increase calisthenic strength, this is mandatory. Let's get into it. The first mistake is expecting every session to be a victory. When you start isometric training, especially overcoming isometrics, it feels powerful. You're pushing against something that doesn't move. It feels intense, advanced. You expect the numbers to climb every single workout. That's not how strength works. Strength builds in waves, not straight lines. Some days you'll sleep perfectly, eat clean, warm up properly, and still feel weaker. Other days you'll feel average and hit a personal best. That's adaptation. That's your nervous system recalibrating. If you judge your progress day by day, you'll lose confidence. If you track it over months, you'll see dominance building. Consistency beats emotion. Always. Second mistake. Skipping the warm-up before maximal contractions. This one is ego. You would never load heavy weight onto a bar cold and expect your body to handle it. Yet people try to generate 100% force against an immovable object without preparation. That's reckless. Your muscles may feel ready. Your tendons are not. Your joints are not. Your nervous system is not fully primed. Picture a rubber band frozen overnight. Stretch it immediately and it snaps. Let it warm up, and it becomes elastic, powerful, resilient. A proper warm-up increases blood flow, activates motor units, enhances force output, and protects your structure. When you skip it, you are not being tough, you are being careless. Third mistake. Breathing wrong during the contraction. Most people hold their breath during a 6-second maximal effort. It feels intense. But it's killing your power. Oxygen equals force. When you hold your breath, you reduce oxygen delivery, limit output, and increase the chance of dizziness. Instead, brace your core and exhale with controlled aggression during the contraction. If you need another breath mid-effort, take it without collapsing your posture. Strong breathing builds strong bracing. Strong bracing maximizes force transfer. Details matter. This is neurological training. Fourth mistake. Treating isometric training like it's inferior to weightlifting. Isometrics are not a replacement for weights. They are not hype. They are a tool. And when used correctly, they are one of the most powerful tools for developing raw strength and joint integrity. Overcoming isometrics train maximal voluntary contraction. You are teaching your nervous system to recruit more muscle fibers instantly. That is real strength. But here is where people fail. They don't make it measurable. If you are not tracking output, tension quality, or progressive overload, you are guessing. And guessing does not build power. When measurable isometrics meet intelligent programming, you build tendons that resist injury, joints that feel solid, and strength that transfers into calisthenics, lifts, and real-world performance. Fifth mistake. Bad form. This one humbled me. Specifically, failing to brace the core correctly. If your core is not locked in, your body compensates. You lean back on rows. You round your spine on squat patterns. You shift tension into your lower back instead of your target muscles. That is not strength. That is leakage. When you brace properly, tight core, neutral spine, glutes engaged, your body aligns automatically. Force transfers efficiently. Tension stays exactly where it belongs. Your core is the transmission system of your body. If it is loose, power does not move cleanly. If it is locked in, everything becomes stronger. Here is the truth. Isometric training is not flashy. It does not look impressive. But when executed with precision, it builds a level of raw strength and structural resilience most lifters will never experience. If you have been frustrated with your results, do not abandon the method. Refine it. Warm up like a professional. Breathe like an athlete. Track your progression with discipline. Brace like your spine depends on it. At Omega Body, we do not chase trends. We build strength that lasts. We build bodies that perform. We train with intent. Without excuses. If you are serious about becoming stronger, more disciplined, more powerful, then act like it. Because we are not here to look strong for a moment. We are here to become unstoppable.